We draw a circle, set the radius 4, and this circle tangent to this line, this circle tangent to this line. We have another circle, radius 4, tangent to this line, and also to this line. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech. For today's video, I will show you guys how to draw 3D exercise 155. This is drawing. Okay, let's get started. Create new, create body, create sketch. For this drawing, I will use YZ plane. Okay, I will start with this block first. So this block, dimension given here, the length is 46, and we have angle here 160 degrees, then the length here is 48 from this, and we have a block that protrude out from the middle of the block here, 47 in length, and the width is 6. So let's get drawing and draw a line first from here to here, then we set the distance will be 46. We draw another line, dimension also 46. Then we make this line to parallel with this center line here, then distance from here this line, the vertical distance from this line to the center here will be 6, the thickness of this block. Okay, next we have a line here, the angle 160 degree. Draw a line first, and we set the angle from here to here, 160. From here also, we don't have to set the angle, we just make it parallel. This line will parallel to this. So here also we have angles 160 degree. Then distance from here to here is 48. See here. And we draw a line here, and we make this line perpendicular to this line, and we set the distance from here to here will be 48. Okay, drag this line a little bit longer. Now we have the basic shape here. Then we have another fillet here, radius 7. Yeah, fillet here, radius 7. So we draw a circle, then we set the radius 7. Then we make it tangent to this, and also this to this tangent. Okay, done here. One more thing. This line should be close, so we make it vertically constrained. Then we make it constrained to this point. Now we can do the trim. Trim this, this, this. Zoom a little bit. We need to trim this and also this. Okay, done with trimming. Close. Give a pad. So pad, I want it to be reverse. Okay, distance will be 27.35. The length will be 27.35. Okay, we have the shape. So next we need to draw this block here, protrude out in the middle of this block. So we click here, then we need to change the datum to be sit on the middle of this block here. So we change exact direction. Okay, distance from here to here is 27.35. So because we want to move it back side, we put a negative. Then 27.35, we divide it by 2. And okay. Check back datum. Edit datum. 13.68. Check back with our calculator. 27.35 divided by 2. 13.675. Okay, this should be okay. Okay. Now click at this new datum. Click sketch. So you see it's still in the middle here. So right. Then we click this view section. We want to see the whole section. This is where we want to start to draw. Okay, for this block, we need to draw again the reference line from here to here. Distance is 46. Then we draw another line from here to here, and we set the angle is 160. Draw a line here, then make sure it's perpendicular to this line. Okay, distance from upper here to here is 48. So we need to draw a line here, then we set the height to center reference will be 6. Then this line we constrain to this center line here, then we set the distance, so 46. Okay. Distance from here to this line is 48. See? Okay. That's why we need to draw it, but later we need to delete it back. So okay, From upper here is 6, so we draw another line here. Here is parallel to this line. Distance will be from here to here, 6. No, we do not need to draw this. Delete. Then from here, okay, the thickness here is 14. From this surface to here is 14. Then we draw a line here. We make sure this line parallel to this line. Then we set the distance. This line to this line will be 14. 14 plus 6. Because 6 is here and we have another 14 from the surface, so 14 plus 6 we have 20. So drag this line a little bit longer, then draw another line here, set it perpendicular to this line. Then we set the distance from here to this line is 47. Okay. Then we have another fillet. We have two fillet here, radius 4. We draw a circle. Set the radius 4. And this circle tangent to this line, this circle tangent to this line. We have another circle, radius 4. Tangent to this line and also to this line. Okay, we have another hole here. Okay, we draw a circle because it doesn't give any dimension to this radius or any diameter dimension here, so I set it to be diameter, I just say 6. It should be okay. Then we set the distance from this center circle to this line will be 7. Why 7? Because the center, this whole block is 14 height. So this is from bottom here to here is 7. So up here also 7. Then from end here to the center circle is 20. So we set the distance. So the circle here to this end of this block is 20. Okay, done. And we can proceed trim. Trim here. Trim. Okay, done. We have the shape here. Close. See the drawing stay in the middle of this block. Now we give it a pad. Dimension is 6, but I want it to be symmetry to the plane because we place it on the middle of this drawing, this block here. So we click symmetry to plane. Then okay, click on this letter, click spacebar to hide it. Okay, done for this side. So we need to create the cylinder, this cylinder here. Okay, we'll roll it a little bit because you want to draw on this side. So click at this side, click sketch. So for this cylinder is diameter 28. We draw a circle, set diameter to be 28. Then we set the distance from reference line. For the horizontal, see this block is 6mm thickness, so we divide by 2, should be 3. Okay, the vertical distance from here to here will be 27.35. We divide by 2, so this is, so we take this dimension here. Okay, we stay in the middle, close, set a pad. So the distance is 86. Okay. Next, we have a fillet here, radius 3 on the upper side and on bottom side. Okay, this is just a simple drawing. Just click here, then click fillet, and we set the radius to be 3. Okay. Roll it a little bit for the side. Fillet 3. Okay, done. Next, we have a pocket and hole here. So you need to draw at the side. Click this. We need to change the term one more time. Okay, for this datum, we just move and Z direction to be on the surface of the cylinder. So this cylinder is diameter 28, so divide by 2 will be 14. So we move Z direction from center to the surface 14mm, so it will stay in the surface. Okay, click this datum, click sketch. So you guys notice that our reference have changed from here to here because we click on this cylinder, then our reference will be for this cylinder only. So this cylinder, see, because the length is 86, so the reference will be in the middle of the cylinder, will be 86 divided by 243. So now this hole here locate on the middle of the cylinder, so the dimension will be 43. So we can use this reference point here to draw our hole, our pocket. So we draw say a circle, then we set the diameter to be 8. Okay, close. Now we click hole. It's different from FreeCad. Click hole. Okay, we need to justify what we want to do, because if you see from drawing, you give here, it have the first hole and also the second hole. Okay, the first hole is diameter 16. The inner hole will be diameter 8. The height here will be 6. So for this, we choose a hole, then this diameter here represent in the middle circle here, the middle hole here. So from here you see 8, 6. So we change to 8. You can see start to change. Then okay, for the shape, we can use type of hole cut here. So counter bore, we have a few selection here, counter sink and also counter drill. So for this, in drawing, you just take a counter bore. Counter bore, the diameter for the outside diameter is 16. We change this to 16. Then the depth is 6. This is the depth 6. Okay, check back with the drawing. Click on this datum, click spacebar to hide the datum. So I think our drawing have done. Yeah, but okay, it doesn't went through. Okay, click back model. We need to change the hole setting. Click hole, edit back hole. So this clearing here, the depth will be to all. Okay, that's okay. Okay, now see the hole through the cylinder went through us. Okay, our drawing have done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.